Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll see how to turn on or off Windows Defender Firewall. So let's get started. If you are using the Windows operating system, go to the search and here you can type control panel. Once you go to the control panel, here you can see the various options to adjust your computer settings. You can see system and security. Click on system and security. Once you go to the system and security, here you can see Windows Defender Firewall. Click on that particular option. Once you go to the Windows Defender Firewall and left to that, we can see change notification settings, turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Click on that and here you can see the options whether you want to turn on or you can turn off the Windows Defender Firewall. Okay, so it's always recommended to turn on your Windows Defender Firewall, whether it can be private or the public, because it will be helpful for the security purpose, like your system will not be attacked by any kind of spam or any kind of thing which will affect your system and your security. Okay, so it's always recommended to turn on your Windows Defender Firewall. Okay. So that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.